All right, let's unlock your Fire Stick and get you a ton of free entertainment. So the thing is, some of the best apps aren't even in the Amazon App Store. Let's find them. Ever see this warning? Yep, that's Amazon cracking down on some of those third-party apps. But no worries, there's a simple way around it. You just need the right tools. It's called sideloading, and it's the secret to unlocking your Fire Stick's real potential. First up, you've got to have the Downloader app. It's basically your gateway to everything. Seriously, this is your most important tool. Just search for it and grab the one by AFTV News.
Okay, now for something super important, protecting yourself before you stream anything.
A good VPN keeps your streaming totally private. Think of it as an invisibility cloak for your Fire Stick. All right, tools are set. Now for the fun part. Let's get you some awesome content apps. First on the list is Streamio. It pulls all your content together into one super clean library. Then there's Kodi. This one's a legend. It's the original go-to customizable media center. The real magic of Kodi is in the add-ons. That's what unlocks a whole world of stuff. But hey, it's not all about sideloading. There are some great totally legal options out there too. Check out Tubi. It's owned by Fox and has a massive library that's completely free with ads.
And there are a bunch more like it right there in the official App Store. So many choices. Okay, so what's the big picture here? Let's do a real quick recap.
Bottom line, get your tools set up for safety first, then dive into all the awesome content.
And just like that, your Fire Stick is way more powerful than when we started.